Rolling.
I don't give a fuck if we are rolling or not rolling. My life is rolling, guys. Like, my back constantly hurts. 24 fucking
My
7.
back, my head, my feet, my heart, everything hurts. If you are in your mid 20s and you think you know everything and yet nothing, welcome. You are at the right podcast because we're going to be talking about
Life crisis. Sorry, quarter life crisis.
quarter life crisis because we're just saying
We're just saying
that quarter life crisis is real, guys.
it is. Ayati, it is.
As you can evidently see
Can you
from
not
her
see my face? And I'm not even fucking joking right now. Like, this is me actually. Doesn't matter how much foundation I've put, I still look fucking sick. So,
You kind of look like you're going to like a club in Berlin.
oh, do I? I
Yeah.
wish, bro.
I wish. Like, we should have been doing that, but here we are, like, slaving every day. To be honest, it's not that bad, but
No,
like,
it's
you know what
good,
I mean?
actually.
Like, hustling and
Yeah.
living our lives and doing whatnot, and yet things have to always go out of plan because you're fucking 25 and it's.
Okay,
It's-
let's welcome them.
Yes. welcome.
Hi.
Hi. Before we start ranting
Sorry.
too much
Yeah.
about our lives,
I'm Pallavi.
I'm Ayati.
And welcome to
We are just saying.
Sorry to interrupt your flow, Ayati. Go on.
Okay, so yeah. So for those who don't know, quarter life crisis is basically, if you've heard about midlife crisis, something that happens when you're like in 50s or 45 or whatever. Quarter life crisis happens to you when you're in your mid 20s, which makes so much sense because we have been studying, and following that kind of a lifestyle, and then they just put us out there and like
Go. Explore. Now you're an adult. You're a
Yeah.
fucking adult. Go
Yeah.
out there, face the world,
Yeah.
fall, get back, do your shit.
And all the rules that were valid for the 25 years of your existence are no longer valid because real world is completely
Different than what you've studied and what
Exactly.
you've been through for your fucking 20 feet, 20 feet,
20 feet.
20 feet, 20 years of life. So yeah.
Yeah. So especially it was worse for us, I think, because COVID happened, right? Like I turned 20 or 22 after COVID got like completely
Yeah.
wrapped up, and I felt like I was being prepared for a world that no longer existed after COVID. Like all the rules were changed, everything was changed, people were changed, and I just felt so lost, honestly, when I finished like my education and started working because everything was changed. Like, what about you? Do you think you've experienced anything of that sort? Do you think you are going through a quarter life crisis or
Bro,
whatever?
I am now. Yeah, of course. Can't you just? Is it not written quarter life crisis right there? But after COVID and everything, that was my zone, you know, because I was like in my 20s, early
Yeah.
20s, like 2021 and stuff. I'm not gonna tell everybody my age, 2021, and then I was just working on myself. I
Yeah.
was just, in that
Yeah.
zone, going out, doing
Yeah.
this, that. It used to be fun.
Used to
Now, but I do relate to what you're saying.
Yeah.
And I feel that now.
Yeah.
It sucks. So,
Sucks.
yeah, it sucks. Full stop. In that 21, 22, you know how much I love working out,
Yeah.
right? I used to just go consistently gym for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And yeah, I can see results in my body. Bro, where the fuck is my metabolism now?
Oh yeah, my metabolism.
Where is it?
Is
I can't
sleeping.
find it. It has slept or I don't know, it's dead or something. I have been going gym for 2 years. And look at me. Like,
It's like your metabolism goes like that and your cortisol goes like that, and like there is just a very
just
nice
so
collage
much variations.
fight between the both, and you can actually feel the age kicking in.
Yeah, and constantly back pain. Like, what is I understand when I'm on my periods, I'm getting back pain.
Yeah.
Like, why is that constant click is always there? Like,
Yeah.
why are you there? Just leave my body. Like, go.
Yeah. For me, I think it's a headache. But you know what? I think the problem with us is that we are too not cool for being a Gen Z, and we're too young to be a millennial. So we're kind of stuck in the middle
of nowhere.
Like we don't know what we are, and quarter life crisis is basically that. Like we're trying to figure out who we are constantly and not finding the answer.
See, this is the problem. I can't hang out with a 20-year-old because I'm not vibing with them, because
Yeah.
I can't keep up with them.
Yeah.
And I also can't vibe with 35-year-old
Yeah.
or 30-year-old
Because our
they have-
problems are different.
Yes. So, like, what do we do? Like, where
Just
do we
find
go?
other sad 25 years old to hang out.
What do you think
Yeah. About.
would solve your quarter life crisis? Crisis.
I think, quarter life crisis is like a constant state of restlessness and boredom, I feel like. So you just need to keep changing things, like changing jobs, changing partners. I didn't say that.
I'm gonna put that out.
It's
I'm
for
gonna
her.
put-
Okay, she's asking me an
Oh,
advice.
excuse me. No,
It's not for me.
I never said that. Stop putting things on me. She's talking her heart out,
No.
guys.
I mean, that's what generally people do. It's not if my partner's watching me, sorry. But anyway, yeah, like I think, slightly off topic, but I think that we have it slightly more difficult than millennials or, like, say, our older generation, like our parents and stuff. And I don't think they experienced quarter life crisis to the extent that we do, because for them it was like study, 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 like not even higher education, study, and then go out there, earn
married.
money, yeah, get married, buy a property. That was the map, right?
Yeah.
We sort of got that instructions. However, then when we were released into the world, we are like, oh, we don't just have to study, we have to get a master's, we have to have a healthy body, we have to have a good LinkedIn connection with people, we have to have
Followers. We have to
Followers.
have everything. We need to be out there. We
Instagram,
need to
like
look good.
Facebook. Yeah, everything needs to be perfect about you, and you also need to care about the environment, and so much is happening. And I'm like, I don't know how I'm going to manage all of this. And at the same time, I don't know if I'll be able to buy a property because it's so expensive, and you just end up buying little treats like a coffee or a matcha, and that's all you can dream about.
On the track.
Very unsponsored protein
Please, guys,
flapjack
sponsor us, man. What is wrong
that I
with you?
found in my bag. So we're gonna eat it because
Why not?
breakfast, guys. Breakfast is important.
So, Ayati, ask me a question.
You think you're going through a quarter life crisis? And
Bro,
why
yeah.
do you think you're going
I
through?
am fucking going to a quarter life crisis. And I will not tell you why I'm going through it, because there are so many reasons why I'm going through it. I can keep talking about it and we'll reach somewhere else. But I know the solution for it.
Oh, someone's wise over here. I think
Wow.
it's gonna be a dumb solution, guys. But correct me if I'm wrong.
No, it's not a dumb one, guys. I mean, it depends like how your thoughts are. I mean, I feel like I just need a sugar daddy and all my life problems will be solved. You think it's dumb? All the sugar daddies out there. I'm your princess.
Contact
Come on,
us.
please. Just type in the comments. I'll be there.
That makes a lot of economic sense, to be honest.
Makes sense.
At first, I thought it's gonna be dumb, but it's not dumb. It's
No,
very
it's not.
sensible.
Because I'm at this stage of my life, I think, where I want to be independent, but I'm done
Yeah.
being independent. I don't want to be that independent woman who's going out there battling everything by her own, doing this. No, please take me.
No, I'm an independent woman, but I'm a weak independent. Look, I don't need to be strong all the time, right?
Yeah, right? It's so out there. You need to be strong, independent. Oh, no, I'm not. Like, nahi ho raha bhai mere se. I'm not strong, independent woman anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
She can lift a 20, but
yeah,
you still need to lift her groceries, you know that.
yeah. You need to understand that.
You're reading for the comments. You guys remember watching the movie Queen with Kangna Ranaut in it, and Kangna Ranaut having that breakdown in Paris. You know,
मेरा पूरा जिंदगी खराब हो गया
that's quarter life crisis, basically.
खराब हो गया That is me all the time. I used to actually do that when I used to be in uni days, and I used to be so all fucked up from my uni
Yeah.
assignments, this,
Yeah.
that, trying to find a job. And then I used to just sit at a place. I'm like, मेरा life कितना खराब हो गया मेरा life.
You know, the thing with us is that being like young and self-aware, like we are aware that we need therapy, but we can't afford it.
Bro, do you know how much people charge for therapy? Do you know the charges?
I don't even want to know. I've actually inquired
What?
once, but I was like, I'm not going to look at this ever again because it will just upset all of my budgeting and I can't. So let me not even go there.
So for therapy, what I do, I call my best friend, and she gives me the randomest ideas.
Like sugar daddy.
Yeah, actually, she will always promote that. So
Hmm.
I'll call her. Like, बहुत life खराब हो गया, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. I have so many problems in my life. She's like, you just need a guy. Just need a guy, someone, basically a sugar daddy. This is
Your problem
entire
will solve.
statement. Yeah. And then she'll also be like, if I'll tell anything, she'll be like, you're the problem. You're the problem. Everything is so many
Randomness.
things are honestly running in
Candidness.
my mind.
Drink matcha. It'll power your brain.
I'm trying, but it's not working out.
That's what quarter life crisis is. Summarized in a line. Crisp, clear, should.
I read a
desi.
news yesterday, okay?
Okay.
And that news is running in my mind because it's gonna affect me and my stay here. So much I'm trying to pretend that, oh yeah, yeah. No, I'm not happy.
Hmm.
So it's just not happening.
In your 20s, it's like, actually, it starts really before that. They're like, okay, do your 10th exam, your life's gonna be sorted. Do your 12th exam, your life's gonna be sorted. Do your bachelor's, your life's gonna be sorted. Do your master's, your life's gonna be sorted. Get a nice job, your life's gonna be sorted. Go abroad, your life's gonna be sorted. Then they're like, oh, you need to figure out a visa, your life's gonna be sorted. Then they're like, oh, you need a job which also gives you like job satisfaction, but also gives you salary, but also gives you a promotion. Then your life is gonna be sorted. And
These are all brown parents thing. Okay, they need to stop it. When we say they, I mean brown parents. They are the ones who tell you, "Beta 10th कर ले, सब अच्छा है." 12th में सिर्फ you just need 94%. Come on, you can do it. Take science.
yeah.
Life is good. So this is brown parents thing. Like honestly, I've never seen anybody else doing that to their kids. Okay.
Actually, I think Asian and
Asian.
African
Yeah, I would not say brown.
quarter life crisis is caused because of brown parents. Is that what you're saying?
My dad watches it, so I don't think, not personally for me, but I've heard other people saying that.
Sorry, Bob. No, I don't know. It's a very complicated.
It's a very complicated topic and a very complicated feeling.
What's the craziest thing you've done to like rebel against this quarter life crisis?
That's a good question. I think I don't do anything honestly, Ayati.
You just
I
gym.
just lay, yeah. I lay in my bed, and or the second thing that I would do, I would just go gym. I would put the running speed to 15, and I'll just run the fuck out of it.
Yeah.
Then I'll breathe. When I'm out of my breath, I'll be like, yeah, okay, things are working out for me. It will. It's fine. And I feel like the most problematic thing with this is like, I overthink now,
Mm.
and my body is always sore. I don't know why.
There's always some tension in your.
Yeah, and it's not just because I'm lifting weights, so it's like
It's like your mind and your body are
Yeah.
connected. So
when I want muscle mind connection, then that doesn't happen while I'm lifting my weights. But then this connection is happening
while
like
you're nicely,
properly.
peacefully sleeping and stuff.
Yeah.
I get that. I think I just book a trip. I just
No,
travel.
that's the thing. I don't even have money to book the trip.
You just have to compromise on your some expense. Like maybe I'll not buy a lot of groceries this week. Book a trip. You know.
Amazing.
But anyway,
Yeah,
we will
anyway.
continue living our days with our quarter life crisis,
Yeah,
and we
we'll
will
see you guys later. Bye.
hopefully with some less crisis next
Yeah.
time.
We'll get better.